Hi folks, welcome back to the Carver's Wood Shop. This has nothing to do with wood carving, of course. This is the mask that we're required to wear in Pennsylvania, and a lot of stores are requiring you to wear a mask. And I find that the cloth ones would not fit around your nose very well. So I thought, well, how can I fix that with something simple that I don't have to sew? And I love the hot glue gun. So what I came up with was the glue gun, which I have here, is super for this kind of work because you don't have to sew anything. First of all, if you have the disposable masks that we wear, the paper ones, the loop is very comfortable. And this one, it broke off of this one right away. So what I did was I took that piece of the loop off of the paper, cut it, and then I took a little piece of this material and hot glued it in, and now I have a nice usable mask again that it really holds really well. There's nothing, nothing will come off of that. So I decided, well, why don't I do the same thing with the ties? So what I did was I took 4 or 5 of these, and you fold them over until you get something about this small that you can tuck inside here. And these you can usually buy in any sewing department in a store at Walmart, and they usually have them in a roll. And so what you want to do is just take one of these and slide it right inside one, and then make it a little bit longer than what your tie is. That way you can glue the end shut, and then you can glue it on your mask. And this is a great way to do it because if you wear glasses like I do, I usually take them off when I wear a mask because it fogs up. This will be a nice tight seal around your nose and towards your face that you can leave your glasses on. So it's a wonderful way of doing it. I did all 3 of these, and it's a matter of just cutting the length, cutting it, just going ahead and gluing the ends, but you also have to glue all the way across. Put a little piece of glue all the way across and push it down. And you also want to do the inside. I did part of this, I need to do the rest of it. So it's nice and tight and it doesn't fall apart. But it is a great way of repairing them, and it's a great way to get the mask to fit your face better. And I'll show you how. Well, this is like 4 or 5 of them. So if you have to put it around your nose, it's not going to move. You can get a nice tight seal, and just, you can just wash it. I wash mine by hand. I don't put them in the washer. I usually just wash them in the sink 3 or 4 at a time, and then I just let them hang to dry. So I don't know what it would be like if you threw them in the washer, but I would make sure that everything is sealed tight if you do. And it's a great no sewing way of repairing your mask to make it fit better. All right, thank you very much for following me here on the Carver's Wood Shop, and I will have more things about some new tools that I got in, and that will be later. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.